Arriving at O'Neill Regional Park, I had no idea how fantastic our time there was going to be. Living in Southern California, of course you hear about it, but it's hard to picture until you get there. We decided to go tent camping this time, and I'm so glad we did. We ended up getting space number 12, and like all the other spaces, it had water accessible, a solid picnic table, and a fire pit. While you watch us unload the car, let me tell you what there is at this park. There are barbecues, picnic areas, mountain bike trails, hiking trails, an equestrian area, bird watching, dogs are permitted, camping of course, equestrian camping, an interpretive center, RV camping, scenic overlooks, and even playgrounds. What more could you possibly ask for? Time to set up our new cook stove / tent heater. This is a really nifty gadget. I'll put in a link so you can find it on Amazon. Honestly, it was worth every penny. It kept our tent nice and warm, and you'll see pretty soon how it cooked my salmon to perfection. Time to set up the tent. We chose for a pretty big tent. I like my space. And as always, our Jackery comes in super handy. Here's a camping tip for you. Put everything in a big, solid, labeled tub. When you're all done, it can serve as a bedside table. Another tip, put something on top of your air mattress to keep the cold from coming up through the ground. Okay, we're all set. Time to go explore the creek. I have a theory about why we love to be near lakes and oceans and creeks and streams and rivers. I think it's because we know that water is life-giving, and so we crave it. Personally, it just gives me a real sense of peace. Here you can see just how green it is there. The entire park is so green, so filled with trees and flowers. In fact, stay tuned next week because I'm going to show you our hike up to the Vista Point, and I've never seen so many flowers in my entire life. Back to the camp to set up. David's sleeping bag had a rip in it, so he used a $5 sewing machine that he found at a 99-cents only store and fixed it all by himself. I've noticed that in the evening we get quite a concert from the birds. What a sweet spot we found. We could set up right under this huge tree. And there are some really nice restrooms nearby. Such a fine romance. Here you can see a map of the Arroyo Campground, which is where we were. And here's space number 12, our campsite.
It's fun to be 62 and see something you've never seen before. This is a water fountain for horses that they can use with their noses.
What? That is so cool. Before dinner, we decided to do a little exploring. Time to cook dinner on our new contraption. Will it work? Stay tuned. In addition to salmon, we also had a delicious merlot. Okay, here's the verdict. It worked great as a cook stove, and even better as a tent heater. Good morning, everyone. We are here at O'Neill Regional Park, and we have been tent camping. As you can see, there's our tent, and this is a fantastic park. We are really loving it. It is big. There are, I think, 79 spaces, and they're all really, really nice. They come with a picnic bench like this. They come with a fire ring. There's a water source nearby. And it's just a whole lot nicer than I realized it was. Lots and lots of trees, over 240 miles of hiking trails. There is so much to do here. A beautiful little creek right over there. We are in spot number 12 and we really like it, and had a great sleep last night. It's been a fantastic experience, and we just wanted to share it with you. So thanks for coming along. Tune in next week for our hike up to Vista Point.